to Chef Huie Culinary Television. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use a whole fresh pineapple and make fresh pineapple juice. Yes, fresh pineapple juice. So first thing, I'm going to take the top off, dispose of it. Then I'm going to peel my pineapple. We're going to save all of our peels. Now that we got our pineapple peel, we're just going to cut them to make them small. We're going to put them in the pot and we're going to put just enough water to cover the peels. Now there's actually two ways of making the fresh pineapple. Today I'm going to actually boil it. But another way you could do it, you could put the pineapple peels in the water, you could cover it and put it in your refrigerator for overnight or for even the whole day. And then just turn it off, sweeten it as you choose, whether it's with sugar or with dates or whatever sweetener you like. But for this recipe today, we're gonna bring it to a boil, reduce it to a simmer, we're gonna cool it down, then we're gonna sweeten it and have fresh pineapple juice with ginger. So I'm gonna cut in two. Now it's in four. We're gonna take out the heart of the pineapple. Okay, so now we have our fresh pineapple, but we're gonna focus on the pineapple peels. And like I say, this one, you could just cover this, put it in your refrigerator, soak it overnight, and then you would have nice fresh pineapple. Then you could put some ginger in the pineapple. I'm gonna use fresh ginger for this. Okay, so fresh pineapple and this is fresh ginger. I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna use my knife and crush it. That way the ginger will be, I'm gonna put this ginger in the pineapple. You just need enough water on there to cover the pineapple peel. And once you bring it to a boil, turn it down, reduce it to a simmer. I'm gonna So that's how you prepare fresh pineapple juice. I will show you what the finished product looks like. Okay guys, so we have the fresh pineapple juice here ready. Cool it down, have a little bit of ice on it. Now, I'm gonna taste it. It's refreshing. I definitely recommend this drink. Instead of sodas and sugary drink, make your own pineapple juice. Sweeten it as you like. Dates, honey, or whatever you like to sweeten this. Thank you for watching. If you like this recipe, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much. Chef Huie is out.